October. It's, I don't know, is it like 12:30 now, I think? Yeah, so we had a nice lie-in, which was well needed. I slept till 9:30. And now we've just got on the metro to Ginza. I'm going to meet Lena in a few minutes. We are in Ginza. Around here, basically. I think this is the...
I don't think you'll be able to spot us.
It's a clock tower thing, so I think we're almost in front of it. I'm just going to check my map. Right, yeah, this is the clock tower, but it's absolutely pouring down now. So just going to wait here. Mitsukoshi store. Steve umbrellas.
Refurbished about, I don't know, 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So this one is the old building in the building, that's the new one. That's the, you can see that's how they did it.
Yeah.
They did refurbished.
Oh, it opens at 4.
Yeah, for the next one.
Ah, okay. Cool. Sorry. I'm walking at breakneck speed through Ginza with Lena. We've now come to Komeda. It's going to get some food. Oh, Liam, there's another natural Lawson over there. Yeah. It's before.
Okay.
You're gonna get some
Edamame.
sliders.
So the soy is coming the separate anyway, so I can get it to you. Alright?
Thank you. Fritters. Oh, I don't know.
I might get a sandwich.
I think I fancy maybe potato salad sandwich. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that a go. Oh, with spicy mayo. Oh yes. Choice of toast. Well, it's just toast.
Oh, I think that's if you want them toasted.
Oh,
Not toasted, they just use for the toast sand.
okay.
Up to you though.
Okay. I think I definitely want that salad. Oh, do you know what? Is it too early to have a glass of wine?
It's never too early.
It's weekend.
It's Saturday, isn't it?
Yeah, you
I think I need it to keep me going, you know.
Well, we're gonna have something to eat and drink, and then maybe we can go to the wine bar. But we are going to the wine bar tomorrow.
Yeah.
I told for the master already because it's really small.
Yeah, oh right, okay. One that's near
It's
you.
really good.
Can you order my salad, please, Liam?
Which one? That one?
Yeah, I think so. That looks good.
Sesame or onion?
All onion, I think. Yeah.
No?
No, I thought I saw like chips on here as well.
I think it was in the
Rice.
Fruta bits, wasn't it?
Oh.
Was there like...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they got... Oh,
More spicy.
rice flour. So how was your trip to Australia then?
It was really good.
Yeah.
We went for the Tasmania Island to manage for the human resources as minimum.
Right, some nice lunch, Komeda is. Now, I don't know where we're going to go now. I think we're going to go and find a vehicle. Another day, another smoking area. This one was quite easy to find. I've left rain over there, so... Oh, that's cute. Oh, I'm getting all dripped on. Right, See, we keep making mistakes as well and doing the all-you-can-drink things.
Right.
Well, Liam can't drink that much in an hour and a half.
Did I get one of them?
Yeah. A gull of a boot there. Oh. Okay. Wow. Autumn Fest menu. No, don't want any of that, that's for sure. Oh, you get a souvenir mug, do you?
Yes. Limited.
That's the sort of rubbish I always like. I come home with so many carbs. That's what I end up with. Okay, cheers, kanpai. Oh. No.
Lovely lunchtime.
Yeah, Sapporo beer hall. They're enjoying their Saturday.
Thank you so
Looking
much.
great. Bye. Now I can see it. Well, we've stood under it, so not before. Everyone comes to take a picture of this today, then. Oh,
Well, that's
mean,
a
it's-
famous place.
right. Mitsukoshi. I know.
Just fingers on.
She's like, come on. Yeah, he needs more stuff. So I'm going to get.
What are you gonna have?
One of everything.
I don't know. I quite like the look of one of
They do look
these.
quite
That's
good with them.
the jelly thing.
Yeah, do you think they taste good?
Yeah,
Should be.
they look
Yeah.
good. Get
What
a pear
flavour?
one.
Pear one. I do love a pear.
You
I'm
can
gonna
tell
get.
them. Don't pick.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
it's not
okay.
a thing.
Oh, really? No self-service.
No, because it's
Okay.
department store.
Oh, okay. Right. What else have I got here then? Yeah, I might get one of these boxes. Yeah, one of the jellies. Just all the meats. Oh, that yeah. Special chocolatier.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yeah. Oh, do you have to wait to go in, do
It's
you?
like a COVID-19 and in a certain amount of people only.
Right, spent the afternoon. Lena, we've done lunch and what else? Yeah, went to some beer, walked around Ginza in the rain. Now we're going to go and get the tourist bus. British gas opener. Right, just got off at Tokyo Station. Getting dark already. It's 5 o'clock, isn't it? Well, actually, it's 20 to 5.
smoking area Grandster Yesu.
Right, I think this is Tokyo Station. Is it corresponding with what it's saying on your Google Maps?
But it is. It's yeah. Go around.
We've got some seats on this one.
Open top tour.
Yeah, ours is the Skybus. Yeah, I think so. There's the bus. Alright, got our tourist bus. The poncho on. Yeah, it'll be alright. Just gonna do a full loop. It's getting dark. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the palace? Oh, well there's a bit over there, babe. So sort of foggy. Just can't even see the top of the building. National Diet Building. Getting a bit wet here, and now we're going miles away. We're going back to where we were in Disneyland. Only the British and the French are somewhere else. It's weird to call the French over there. Oh my god. The voiceover now said, enjoy the panoramic view and the refreshing wind. It's absolutely pissing it down, blowing a gale, we can't see nothing. It's hilarious. Oh really? Yeah. Okay, don't try and tempt me. I mean, I'd love to get off now, but there's absolutely no point. We're already drenched and it'll take longer to go that way. I got pear jelly. I think that's water chestnut, wasn't it? She said. I think that's pumpkin milfoy and a little apple tart that I've got to eat later. I'm not going to get through all these probably. Oh, let's give it a taste. Liam's jammy feet. God, looking so dishevelled. Do you want to give it a try, babe? Okay. It's quite tasty, actually. Well, should we try and see if we can get through with our IC cards? I don't know if they work or not. Right, hang on, babe. We are in Shibuya, where the Scramble is. Hello. Are you sure this is it? It doesn't look very busy. I know. Which direction are we going?
Like that
way. Okay.
About to change.
Yeah, may as well. Oh, you get a bit hungry later, babe. I want to find a coconut event. I want one, I need one.
Oh, there's the mega.
The what? Oh god, yeah. That is pretty big, isn't it?
It's mega.
Yeah.
It didn't look as big as the one in Osaka. Was it Osaka?
Was it Kyoto?
With the running man?
No, it was Nagoya.
Oh, was it Nagoya?
Yeah, because it's the first night, wasn't it? Oh, no, it was Osaka, yeah. Yeah. Look for the secret door.
Oh no, you have to go inside the place.
Oh. Let's hope we can get in. Liam wants to go in there. Not smart. been here that long, have we? We're going to get one of the original ones, then, babe.
Two of those, one of those.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Not a mystery one. Yeah. Right. Name's perusing the menu. Love a bit of menu perusing.
They've got normal beers and sort of shochus and stuff as well.
Yeah. Right. Oh, I quite like the sound of maybe an Island Dream as well.
Yeah, I might get one of those
Go
afterwards
fuck
as well.
yourself is what I want.
Go fuck yourself.
Magic Mule. What was it you got? Mule?
Moscow Mule,
Oh,
of
yeah.
course. Like a magic mule.
Life is Balloons. Too much volcano. Oh, that's what I wanted.
What?
Oh, but actually,
No, that's the margarita.
yeah. But I mean,
Margarita. Well, you can
you
get
know
it
me, because I
afterwards.
like a spicy one, but it's got grapefruit, and I'm not meant to have grapefruit, am I?
Aren't you?
So with my pills, I'm not allowed to have grapefruit juice. For some
You could ask
reason,
them if they.
it's not the same. I might just go crazy and have one. Have you with that?
Yeah, but I can't drink it.
I've got the slightly wrong drink. I thought I was getting this spicy marg, but it's just tequila, lime.
Super strong.
Yeah, really strong. And a bit of ginger, but still. Liam's is good.
Try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do, obviously. Yep. Very gingery.
It's quite gingery, yeah.
Put my lips on. Yeah, it's good. We've got round 2 of the drinks, the aquamarine, which is
good.
blue curacao obviously in it.
Obvious.
And I've got a spicy marg with grapefruit, which I'm not meant to have, but I need the spicy marg, so give it a try, babe. Yeah.
Delicious.
Right.
Spicy.
Well, now, it's not as strong as the other one. Great saying, loosely.
That's what I want as well.
Yeah, that is exactly what he wants. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Oh,
I mean,
what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, well, you know, them's the breaks. You can always go back in and buy it for 1,000 if you don't get it.
I'm not desperate.
Oh no! Oh,
is it a
what is
sticker?
it?
Sticker.
But that's awesome because we've got a sticker too, and then there was another sticker-ish.
Yeah.
Oh,
double
okay.
sticker in
A
there.
double sticker, yeah.
Okay.
And does
dear.
it say something on the
Yeah.
other side? Because that was our way too. And then it says you have to pick it up inside.
Oh.
No.
That's normal sticker. I think that's a magnet actually.
Okay.
Magnet.
Oh.
I'm gonna try again anyway.
Yeah, give it another go.
I'll keep going.
3 times a charm,
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. There'll be a one.
Pick one.
Go for that one. Go for that one. Yeah, come on. Get the sake one.
That has to be.
No.
Have you got another sticker?
It's the exact same magnet.
Oh,
You
man.
can have that one if you
Oh,
like.
yeah.
But
No,
No,
take
just have it, honestly. Yeah. There's no point us having 2, because, I mean, we've got the bottle opener now, which, you know, I always need. He doesn't even drink, so he won't need that one. Well, he doesn't usually drink. And
That's good.
go on. Here's the entrance. Do do do. The Lost Bar. Right, we've had a couple of cocktails in the Lost Bar, and now we're gonna go and try and find some food, maybe. Filled up on rice crackers, or Liam has. 2 bowls of rice crackers. They're pretty good.
Fill up those forever.
Yummy. We need a katsu. We haven't had one still. Day 8.
That looks good to me.
Wow. Maybe get one of those after.
Curry and a kebab.
Yeah.
What is that? Wait, hold on.
More gacha for Liam. Finish at Lost Bar. Gonna go and try and find a koku curry. It's a funny like fruit sandwich one.
I know.
Why?
It's got like everything you could imagine for a gacha collectible. The closest one, the closest cocoa is like there.
No, it's not far. Yeah, another smoking area. Well, I'm still a bit like flummoxed that this is like Shibuya Scramble, and I mean Saturday night, and it's like, is this it? Are you sure? Are we in the right place?
Are you sure?
I mean, it's not that busy. There's people just crossing a normal street as far as I can see, so yeah, anyway. Another tourist type, I think, maybe. So, crossing the road like normal people.
Scramble, you got to scramble your way through a million people.
Yeah, but still. And we are going the wrong way, we're not going properly.
Everyone's just crossing everywhere, that's the point.
It's just normal people crossing a road. It's just normal. Okay. Ikebana, but hoping it's still open. Vegetarian curry. Yeah, is it open? Yeah, so that's another thing in this country. When they say they close at 11:30, they mean they are kicking everyone out before then.
Yeah.
So you can't go there at 4:15.
Basically, take the time and minus half an hour for last order.
So, no katsu. I'm having to go to McDonald's. Arlene's going to Lawson's. They just love this stuff. Farm kitchen. It's just like, oh, that doesn't even look normal. Well, I might get myself on those coffee things in the morning if they've got them, but I don't know if they do.
What, one of those?
Yeah, the soy latte, but I don't know. No.
I'm literally just buying more gacha.
Yeah, just get that. Vinegared kelp, yum. Lots of plum. Oh, none of this for me. I just want to get some food. Oh man. Last train leaves at past midnight. All food shuts down. All trains shut down. Very strange on a Saturday night.
This is not in service.
Yeah. So, last train left at midnight, but it doesn't go anywhere. It went one stop and then just stops because it's after 12, so yeah, you can get on it, but it only goes as far as, you know, a certain time, and that's it. So luckily we've only got to walk one station, so I don't know why everything shuts. It's like midnight. Food places shut, most bars shut, subway's shut on a Saturday.